In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync Trello with Google Sheets using a two-way sync, so your tasks and spreadsheet data stay perfectly aligned. This is incredibly useful if you manage projects in Trello but need reporting, automation, or data analysis inside Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a live connection between both tools. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside Trello, click on Boards from the main dashboard. Now select the board that you want to sync with Google Sheets. This should be the board where your tasks, cards, and lists are located. After opening your board, look toward the top menu and click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of adding integrations and extra features to your board. Inside the Power-Ups panel, click on Add Power-Ups to browse available integrations. In the search bar, type Google Sheets. From the results, look for Google Sheets plus Trello two-way sync, which is powered by Unito. This power-up allows real-time syncing between Trello and Google Sheets. Click on it, then press Add. You'll be asked to confirm again, so click Add once more to enable the power-up on your board. Once it's added, close the Power-Ups panel and wait a few seconds for it to fully activate. You should now see the Unito Sync icon available on your Trello board. Click on the Unito Sync icon to begin setup. The first time you use it, you'll need to authorize the connection. Click Authorize. A new window will open asking for permission to connect Trello with Unito. Scroll down and click Allow to grant access. This step is required so Unito can read and sync your board data. After authorization, click on the Unito Sync icon again and select Create Flow. This will open the Unito dashboard in a pop-up window. A flow is basically the connection between Trello and another tool, in this case Google Sheets. Under the section that says Start by choosing the tools you want to connect, confirm that Trello is selected. Choose the correct Trello account, and then select the specific board you want to sync. On the right-hand side, click Add a tool to this flow. Search for Google Sheets and select it. You'll now need to connect your Google account. Sign in and grant the required permission so Unito can access your spreadsheets. Next, choose the sheet you want to sync with. You can either paste the direct link to your Google Sheet or search for it by name in the selection field. Once selected, confirm your choice. If prompted, click Clear Data to ensure there's no conflicting information before the first sync. Then click Highlight to review how fields will map between Trello and Google Sheets. This is where you define how card titles, descriptions, due dates, and other fields match spreadsheet columns. Finally, click Authorize to complete the setup and activate the sync. Once everything is confirmed, your Trello board and Google Sheet will begin syncing based on the configuration you selected. Depending on your setup, this can be a one-way or two-way sync, meaning changes in Trello can update the sheet and vice versa. And that's it. You've successfully synced Trello with Google Sheets using a two-way integration. Now you can manage tasks visually in Trello while tracking and analyzing data in Google Sheets automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.